For 2 minutes and 17 seconds, the entire world blacked out. And everyone got a flash of their own future.
What caused all this?
Come here, you have to see this. Right there. Look right there.
No way.
Yeah.
And now a sneak peek at an all-new episode of ABC's Flash Forward.
What's the matter? What's up?
His father, the boy, his father is the man I saw. His name is Lloyd Simcoe. His son's
your patient.
But Lloyd didn't recognize me, I'm positive.
You don't think?
No, I've thought about it, and I realized that I saw him, but before he turned around, the flash forward ended. So I don't think he saw me. But it doesn't matter what I saw. This man means nothing to me.
For now.
Oh, come on, that's not fair. You can't punish me for something I haven't done.
I'm not. Hey, I'm not punishing you, Livy. It's just, what was that man doing in our home? I seem to remember you told me you had feelings for him.
Well, you said you were okay. Obviously, you're not.
Until 3 days ago, you never met this guy. Now you have. Future's happening, Livy.
What if we just saw a possible future, like a warning? I am never gonna be unfaithful to you, Mark.
We don't know what never means anymore.
ABC's Flash Forward. All new episode Thursday at 8/7 Central on ABC.